Hi YouTubers, in this video we are going to see how to create a passport size photograph. So I have taken a sample photo. Now we will open our two major AI tools, which is background remover. So from any image, if you want to remove a background, just upload the image here and get it downloaded. Once image is downloaded, then enhance the image. Don't enhance the image first and then you remove your background. It will not make sense. So then enhance the image. Once image is enhanced, then download the enhanced image. You will get better quality of image once you enhance. So you can see the quality difference. If I open two images side by side and zoom it out, so you will see the blurriness of the face, so of the two images. So that's the reason I have enhanced at last the image. Now it's done. So we'll open our Photoshop and start our making a passport size photograph. For this, what we'll do, we'll take a new file, create 1.5 inches of height and 1.5 inches of width and 2 inches of height, and then we will paste our image, the PNG image where the background is removed, and based on the image we will make it center, and then we will just merge the two layers. Then we'll crop it based on the dimensions 1.5 inches and 2 inches width and height, and then we'll have a border, a small border of 1 pixels. Then we will just use Ctrl T and just we will downscale the image and we'll sit it in center. Here I have taken 2 boxes so that 1 box will be each off of the border. Then define a pattern, save the pattern, then create a new with 6 inches of height and 6 inches of width, and then we will go to edit and make sure you have your resolution of at least 200 pixels. All the images will be 200 pixels resolution when you make a photo. And then you go to edit and then fill the image which you have defined as a pattern. You can able to fill it out. So this is a simple way to create your passport size photograph. How many you want you can create. So you have your dimensions 1.5 and 2. 1.5 is width and 2 is height, based on your paper quality, based on the number of photos you require. Just create it out. That's all for this video. Have a nice day.